Hey guys, today we're drawing Luffy from One Piece. This is what it's going to look like when we're all finished. Make sure you listened for the keyword somewhere in the middle of the video. If you put that keyword into the comments, you have a chance to win the sticker that I've got here right below me. So let's get going. Alright, let's get started drawing Luffy. So I'm going to take my pencil, and the first thing I'm going to do is draw a big circle. And this is going to be for his hat. Now, right down the middle, just draw a line. That'll be the center of his face, and then let's do another circle that's going to start at the top of the hat and go down about 2/3 of the way. So about like that. Doesn't have to be like perfect, but just about like that. Now I want to add his chin in, so I'm going to go about halfway between the circle right here where I'm drawing this line, halfway between the bottom of the circle and the bottom of the hat, and that's going to be where his chin goes. And then go to the right and the left side of the circle for his head and just go straight down. I shouldn't say straight down, come down diagonal and then curve over right to that point. So that way we're going to kind of have his face right there. Okay, now right where we connected those the lines to the circle, let's do a line that comes across, and then what we're going to do is we're going to curve and bring it down, but then we're going to make it like one big huge smiley face that kind of goes through that whole area. He's going to have this huge smiley face. Alright, then right there where the middle is, we're going to draw his nose, and I'm going to just do kind of this shape. You can do whatever shape you want, and then follow with a curve for his eyebrow. So follow the top of the nose there, curve it up and over for the eyebrow, and then do one on the other side. This pencil is just going to give us kind of some real basics. Now I want to do his eyes as well, and since he's smiling really big, his eyes are going to be closed. So just go right in the middle between the eyebrow and his mouth, and we're going to do these kind of like thicker closed eyes. About like that, with some some like eye squints. All right, now let's add in real quick let's go with his neck. So about the middle, if you go straight down like this to where the mouth stops, we're gonna just curve out and down. That's gonna be his neck, and do the same on the other side. And then what we'll do is we'll just add in a real simple kind of shirt for the shape. This is going to be mostly a drawing of his head, so we won't worry too much on that. All right, so last thing we want to do before we get the ink out is his hair. So with the hair, he's got kind of this floppy hair. So go up to the top of where the head is, just below it. And I'm going to just curve down right above the eye and then back up. And then do the same thing on the other side, over and back up. And then we'll go again on that same side. We'll go down, touch the eye, and then back up. And then come down and touch the mouth. And then back up right here. And then the rest is going to kind of follow there. So we'll want to come here right at the midpoint of the mouth, and we'll add in just a curvy little ear, and then I'm going to add a couple of these kind of hairs that come out and follow the hat here, over like this, that, and down. See, so that kind of gives me that side. And I'm going to do a similar thing on the other side, so I'll come down like this. Should be just fine, like that. Let's give him his other ear over here, and then we'll come up, just give him this kind of floppy hair that goes like that. Now his hat kind of hangs out like this, but then he does have kind of this top, so you can just draw in with your pencil this top like that, and that gives us our basic Luffy. Okay, should we start in on ink? I think we should start in on the ink. So I'm gonna change to my marker, change to black. Okay, now here's the point where I tell you what the secret code word is to win a sticker. So it is Luffy Rocks. So put Luffy Rocks in the comments, and I'm gonna pick some people randomly over the next while and just send them stickers. All right, let's keep going. So I'm gonna start with the hair because the hair is gonna be on the top almost all the way to the ear. And I'm gonna just follow the lines I've already done with the pencil. So you can do a similar thing. And the reason I wanna go with the hair first is simply because it's gonna be at the top of our character. So we'll just follow everything we already did with the pencil, but with hair. Okay, there's that side. Let's do the other side. Like that. We'll do this other ear. And we'll just keep going. All right, there's his hair. Let's go ahead and do the hat, the edge of the hat. So I'm going to just curve around and do the hat that kind of goes behind his hair, just a little. Oh, that was way off. And follow it through like that. Okay, now let's do the back of the hat. Maybe a little curvier than that. Just like that. All right, now I'm gonna do the sides of his face down to the chin. I'm still just following the rest of what I've already drawn with the pencil. That way I don't have to reinvent anything. I'm just following what I've already drawn. Okay, the nose. And let's do the eyelashes. Now with these eyes, I want them to be kind of thick. So I'll do two like that and just fill it in. Okay. Let's add a couple lines on each side. This is just going to make him look extra squinty. That. And we'll do a couple like this. Let's make his hair black. And we'll do a line right through his mouth like this. This is gonna be for his teeth, with just a couple on each side to kind of show where his teeth are. Just like that. All right, let's fill in the neck. And the jacket. About like that. And that. All right, awesome. I think we can now color Luffy in. Let's do it. All right, and there's our colored in Luffy. So I hope you had fun today. I know I did. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave the keyword in the comments for your chance to win one of the stickers. I'll see you in the next video.